Hi YouTubers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install TASM and run simple program. But before that, let us know a little bit thing about TASM. What is TASM? TASM or Turbo Assembler is computer assembler developed by Borland, which runs on and produces code for 16 or 32-bit by 86-disk operating system or Microsoft Windows. It can be used with Borland's high-level language compilers such as Turbo Pascal, Turbo Basic, Turbo C, and Turbo C++. So, let us proceed now on how to install TASM in your PC. First, open your control panel and check the system and security of your laptop, and then click System. Now, you can see the Windows edition and system type of your laptop, just like this. And now, go to Google browser of your laptop and type the appropriate version of TASM installer to your laptop, just like this. Okay. Well, I have already here downloaded TASM installer here, which version is compatible to my laptop. After you download the TASM installer in your laptop, copy and paste it to C drive of your laptop. Just right click the file and run the administrator and click yes until you finish the installation. Then after this, just open the TASM folder in a C drive and you can see the content files. Open the folders to see the preceding files here. TASM folder is a folder where you can put the program, example, abc.asm. Always remember, when you will make and save the program, just always use .asm file name. And now, open the techapple.net folder from TASM. Then click to open the file name DOSBox 0.74 options. It will open a text file in Notepad. And navigate to the last line where it shows hash. You can put your mount lines here. Just add this. Mount C colon forward backslash toggle TASM. Then hit enter. Then type C colon double backslash and save the file. The last one is to make a program using Notepad or in other appropriate editor and save it to the folder of TASM, which file name is .asm, and then run and configure the program using CMD. Just open DOSBox and navigate to TASM folder by typing cd or change directory, then TASM, and hit enter. Then now type TASM space program name.asm. After you hit enter, you will see an error warning messages. If there isn't anything wrong with your program syntactically, you will see none there. And now, link your program. Just type tlink space program name and hit enter. And now, execute program by typing program name.exe or just type program name only. It's the same way to execute. To clear the text type, just type CLS to clear. And when you want to stop it, type exit and then hit enter. So, in this way, you can install TASM on your system and execute by 86 code on your machine. This tutorial is applicable only to Windows 7, 8, and 10. That's all, and thanks for watching. Enjoy learning.